Hey, Welsh Metals here. Today I'll be repairing a blockchain necklace. It's one of those safety type necklaces. Lots of little squares. And it has become broken. That is from where it's broken off someone before and hasn't been put back together. So I'll be doing that and tighten some of these blocks with pliers. Crimp them back in place. Clasp looks a bit worn there, as you can see. May replace that at some point. Right. Shouldn't take long to fix this. Just a quick repair. Quite long, this necklace. So first is just open those, and I'll crimp it back in place there, as you can see where I'll be going with it. So first I'll open these a little tiny bit. One already open there, and on the opposite side. Careful not to break the entire block open, as it is quite fragile. And put it back together. Just undo one side and the opposite. Actually, close that one up a bit. Oh no, it's broken. Oh, very fragile material. Take that off then. It's an exceptionally long necklace anyway. Very fragile at that. Not even using much force. It's just extremely thin material. It's all misaligned there. Thought this would be quite quick to repair. Wrong. Taking slightly longer than I thought. Try and get that to crimp back in there, but I don't think it will. No, needs to be opened more. There we go. That looks better. Bend that over a little bit. Not too much. Get that to click in place. There we go. Now I need to hold that together and crimp it with the pliers all the way around. And that's working nicely, as you can see. Crimping it very carefully all the way around in a square, both of them, where I just connected the chain back up. And further along also I'll do, just in case. Use the flat end of the plier to get a better crimping effect. I actually have crimping tools, but not on me. This will suffice for this small repair. As you can see, I'm pulling it and it is not coming apart. So, nice, quick, easy repair there. Took slightly longer than expected. Very long chain indeed though, look at that. It's actually about, so it's about a 24-inch necklace maybe. Very long. So, look at that. As I said, one long necklace. So, a quick look upon that. It's a very nice looking chain, you can see. It's quite shiny. I'd say it was a sort of gunmetal type colour effect. So it's probably plated in something like zinc, most likely. skin safe alloy, and as you can see, it's copper underneath. I actually like that clasp, it's growing on me. Looks quite rustic, gives it some appearance of age. So you can't really see the repair join. It has disappeared now. That's a good sign. Nope, it's gone. Cool. So, necklace repaired. Put that on actually, see what it looks like. Give me a second. It's extremely long, not bad. Focus that sec. There we go. Not bad necklace. Extremely long though. Well, till next time.